Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to use custom metrics in Looker Studio. Step by step, beginner-friendly, and fully updated for 2026. If default metrics don't give you the insights you actually need, yeah, custom metrics are the solution. First, open Looker Studio and create a new report or open an existing one. Connect your data source like Google Analytics 4, Google Sheets, BigQuery, or a CRM export. Make sure the base metrics you need are already available. Now let's create a custom metric. Click on any chart, then in the right panel, choose Add a Field. This opens the Calculated Field Editor. Here you can build your own metric using formulas. So yeah, this is where the magic happens. For example, to create a conversion rate, divide conversions by sessions and multiply by 100. Give the metric a clear name like conversion rate and set the data type correctly, usually percentage. Click Save and your custom metric is ready. Next, use your custom metric in visuals. Add a scorecard to show the metric at a glance. Then add a line chart to track it over time or a bar chart to compare it across channels, campaigns, or devices. Custom metrics become even more powerful with filters. Add a date range filter or source filter so you can analyze how your custom metric changes under different conditions. Honestly, this adds a lot of flexibility. You can also reuse custom metrics across charts in the same report, which keeps your analysis consistent. Just select the metric from the field list instead of recreating it each time. Design matters too. Use clear labels, simple charts, and avoid clutter. Custom metrics should make insights easier, not more confusing. Before sharing the report, switch to View mode and test everything. Change dates, apply filters, and confirm the custom metrics update correctly. And that's it. By creating calculated fields, using them in charts, and combining them with filters, you can unlock powerful insights with custom metrics in Looker Studio. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your team, and subscribe for more step-by-step Looker Studio tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.